The first method is find groups related to your niche and share content on those groups according to your niche, and after your post approved by the group admins, edit the description of the post and add your landing page URL. So this is a fast and easy way, but this is a spammy way. However, you will be able to grab high quality subscribers by doing this method. So I will show you the step by step process of do that. First of all, log into your Facebook account and search on the search box things related to your niche. In my case, it is a keto. Then I press enter. After that, I click on this group tab. Then I will see lot of groups related to keto. I already joined with 2 groups, so I will show you how to find a quality group and join with those groups. Basically, before you join with those groups, you have to find the engagement of this group. That means if there has lot of engagement like this group, so in this keto diet for beginner group, there has 270 posts per day. That means people share 270 posts per day on this group. Also, if we check on the next group, people share 170 posts per day in this group. So those are the highly engaging group. But if we go to this type of group, it only 10 posts a day. That means not much engagement on this group. So always find highly engaging group. After you find those group, click on this join button. Sometimes you will get instantly approved, but sometimes you have to wait until approve your request by the admin of this group. So I will open this group in new window and let's click on this group. In public groups, you can see the content of this group, but if it's a private group, you have to join with that group before check the content on that group. So I will join with this group too. Okay, I get instantly approved. Now we can share content on those groups. To do that, we have to find viral content. So to find viral content, we can use imgur.com. So I will search imgur.com here. Now I am in imgur.com. So in this search bar, we can search anything and get posts and videos related to that search term. In my case, I will search keto, then press enter. Okay, now I get lot of content related to keto. So I will open few of those content on new window and it will load more content, so you can find lot of images to share. So I click on this new window, so we can get some of this content by right click it and click on save image. Okay, I download that image and let's download another image. So I will go to this account and save that image too. So you can get lot of images by using imgur.com. After I find images, I will go to those groups. So this is the group that I recently joined, so I will click on create a public post and drag one of these posts here. Now I will add some emojis here like this, but when you try to post it, don't add your landing page URL. Always add some text related to your content. After you get approval of this post, you can edit this post and share your affiliate URL, because in some groups your post will not published when you submit the content, because that group admins and moderators need to check the post and review it manually to approve it. So if they see your link on description, they will reject your post. So don't try to add your post in the first time. Always edit the description after get approval. So I will click on this post button and in this page it instantly appeared. So now I can click on these dots and click on edit post. Then I can enter the small description and add the landing page URL. To do that, I will go to the landing page editor and click on share. Now copy the website URL. After that, I will go to bit.ly and short the link. So I will go to bit.ly.com. Then I will add the link here and click on shorten. Now I got the short version of the link, so I will copy it and paste it on here. Then I will add some content. Now I will open the sales page of my ebook and get the content from here. So I will scroll down and in here I will copy this part and paste like get the keto diet cookbook, free keto diet cookbook, and then I will enter click below link and add the emoji, then click on save. So now if you have a viral post, you will get the engagement for this post, and when they read the description they will click on this link and it will redirect to our landing page. After that they will able to enter their email address and download the free PDF. So you will be able to grab their email addresses. This is a easy and highly effective way to collect lot of niche targeted email address. So try this method and don't be too spammy when you try this method. So don't join a lot of groups within few hours. Just try to join 10 to 20 groups per day and share content without being spamming.